Part 2.
Part 2, nice.
Part 2 na guys.
Hi.
Hi. Wait lang guys. Ito yung lollipop.
Wait I want to share this for at my sisters.
Hindi kita sister, kita. Pero, ganun tawag ng mama ko sa atin. Orange pineapple yung flavor guys.
Bye.
Buksan na natin guys.
Wait
lang guys.
Wait. Just open it.
Hindi, she's. Oh. Oops.
What is that? Ew.
Hindi. Kaling.
I cannot touch the monies.
Hmm?
I cannot touch the money.
Yeah.
Ano mo? Bake.
Ano mo? Fake.
I cannot touch white.
Bakit?
Kasi baka mamatay ako.
Okay.
Hindi ako
Ay,
mag-touch.
hala.
Wala akong
Ang
touch yung white.
sticky na.
Stinky? Bakit?
Hindi, sticky.
Sticky?
Ito guys. At sticky.
It's so sticky now. Because
sticky
it's
na.
because it's melty.
Namimelt.
Ew.
Share na tayo, okay? Isa lang to. First time lang namin mag-share.
Me.
Ikaw naman. Harap ka sa camera. Okay. Sarap.
Need only 2 seeds. Only.
Sarap.
Yes.
Yung color.
Now me, please.
Kasi naman. 4 ships na yan.
On part 9. Me, please, me.
Bye na guys.
Bye.
Malapit na ma-end. Bye.
Bye.